Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina and today I will be showing you how to write a thesis. So first, what is a thesis? A thesis is typically a single sentence and it will be the topic of your paper with your main points. Below there is an example of a thesis statement. So now we're going to go ahead and break down a thesis statement using the example thesis statement from the prior slide. The first part of a thesis statement is the argument you're trying to make. So in this case, the argument is Tiger's Curse by Colin Hook is an excellent book series. So this will be the focus of the entire essay. The next part of a thesis statement is the first main point. The first main point should be the strongest point and should coincide with the first body paragraph. So the main idea of this thesis was Tiger's Curse by Colin Hook is an excellent book series. Now we're going to go into the reasons about why this is true. So the first main point would be because of the Indian culture included into it. So this is reason number one about why this book, Tiger's Curse, is an excellent book to read. The next part is the second main point. This should be the next strongest point and should coincide with the second body paragraph. This is a bit similar to the first main point. So, the main idea was Tiger's Curse by Colin Hook is an excellent book series. The first main point was because of the Indian culture included into it. Now the second main point will be because of the romance that develops between the characters. So this is the second strongest reason about why this book series is an excellent book series to read. The next and possibly final part of a thesis will be the third and possibly final point. This should coincide with the third or the final body paragraph. So, our main idea once again was Tiger's Curse by Colin Hook is an excellent book series. The first main point was because of the Indian culture included into it. The second main point was because of the romance that develops between the characters. And now the third main point will be because of the suspense which derives from the many endeavors to break an ancient curse. Now, right here it says third and possibly final, and should be the third or final body paragraph. So there's a few things that could go into that. It is possible that you will be writing an essay where you have more than just 3 main points that you want to make. In that case, you will need to include them within the thesis. It could be 4 or 5, but they will all need to be included. This is just a generic model to follow. Now, the third or final body paragraph is a little bit more complicated. For example, for the first point in this essay, it's not shown here, but there are actually 3 different paragraphs that go with that one point that I was trying to make within this essay. This is totally normal, and it is actually recommended because you don't want your body paragraphs to be cluttered or to have too much that you're trying to say at once. So keep that in mind that just because there are 3 points, that doesn't mean that there will only be 3 paragraphs. So for this video, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.